Next one is multiplication of fraction. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Multiplication of fraction by a whole number. One example, 2 by 7 into 3. How to multiply the fraction by a whole number. Fraction by a whole number. Then 2 into 3 divided by 7. 2 into 3 divided by 7. 3 is the numerator, so we multiplied with 2. So 3 into 2 or 2 into 3 divided by 7. 2 into 3 is 6 by 7. It is a proper fraction. Then next one, 9 by 7 multiplied by a whole number 6. So how to write this? 7 into 6 divided by 7. 7 into 6 is 54 divided by 7. 54 divided by 7. It is an improper fraction, so we have to write into the mixed fraction. How to write it in mixed fraction? 54 divided by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Then subtract the numbers. We get 5. So, how to write in mixed fraction? 7, 5 by 7. 7 is the quotient. 7 is quotient. Then 5 is the remainder. 5 is the remainder. And 7 is the dividend. 7 is the dividend. Okay. Then only improper fraction we can write in mixed fraction. Okay. Then third one, example, 3 into 1 by 8. How to write it? 3 into 1 divided by 8. So 3 by 8. It is a proper fraction. So we write this is the answer. Okay. These are the examples of multiplication of fraction by a whole number. Okay. Next one, multiplication of a mixed fraction to a whole number. Multiplication of mixed fraction by a whole number. 2, 3 by 7. It is a mixed fraction multiplied by a whole number 5. So, how to solve this? 5 into this is, right, 2 into 7 plus 3 divided by 7. Okay. So 5 into 2 into 7 plus 3. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 3 is 17 by 7. Then how to solve this? Like this. Okay. 3 into 1 divided by 8. Same way. 5 into 17 divided by 7. 5 into 17 divided by 7. Then what is the answer? We get 85 divided by 7. So it can be converted into a mixed fraction. We have to divide 85 divided by 7. 85 divided by 7, we get the answer 12, 1 by 7. Okay. Then the another example is 1, 4 by 9 multiplied by 6. How to solve this? 1 into 9 plus 4. 1 into 9 plus 4 divided by 9 into 6. Okay. 1 into 9, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 by 9 into 6. How to write this? In next step, we have to write 13 into 6 divided by 9. 13 into 6 is 78 divided by 9. 78 divided by 9. Then it can be converted into mixed fraction. It is an improper fraction. So we have to write in mixed fraction. How to write it? 78 divided by 9. So we get quotient is 8, remainder is 6 and dividend is 9. So how to write in mixed fraction? Quotient 8, remainder 6, dividend 9. Okay. Then it can be again write 6 and 9 divided by 3. We get 6 divided by 3, 2, and 9 divided by 3, 3. Here we solve. This is 8, 9, 6 by 9. Okay. 8, 6 by 9 is the mixed fraction we get. So here this 6 by 9. 6 by 9 is divided by 3. So we get 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we get 2 by 3 here. 2 by 3. So we can write A 2 by 3. Okay. Next section of problem 1 by 2 of 10. Here 1 by 2 of 10. How to write this? 1 by 2 of 10 means 1 by 2 into 10. So we write 1 into 10 divided by 2. 1 into 10 is 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Then here we cancel or divide the numbers. We get the answer 5. Okay. Next example 1 by 4 of 16. How to solve this? 1 by 4 into 16 which is equal to 1 into 16 divided by 4. That means 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4, answer is 4. 4 4s are 16. Next one, multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Multiplication of fraction by a fraction. One example, 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. How to solve this? 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 4. 1 by 12. Okay. Then the another example we write 2 by 3 into 1 by 5. 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 5. 2 into 1 divided by 3 into 5. Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Okay. We multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So here we get 2 by 15. The next example, 2 by 3 into 7 by 5. Multiply the numerator 2 into 7, then denominator 3 into 5. 7 2s are 14, 3 5s are 15. This is the answer. Then we going to the another example. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. Multiply a fraction by a mixed fraction. Fraction by a mixed fraction. Okay, multiplying a fraction by a mixed fraction. How to solve this? 2 by 5, it converted into improper fraction. So we get 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. 21 divided by 4. Then multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. 2 into 21 divided by 5 into 4. 2 into 21 is 42 and 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Here we get 42 by 20. Then here we cancelled divided by 2 in both the numerator and the denominator. So we get 10. Then here divided by 2. Both the numerator and the denominator divided by 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Okay. Here 21 divided by 10. Then 21 is divided by 10 is an improper fraction. So it can be converted into mixed fraction. 21 divided by 10. Then 21 divided by 10, we get 2 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder, 10 is the dividend. So this is the answer. Another example, 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 3 2 by 5 converted into improper fraction. 5 into 3 plus 2, 15. 5 into 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. 17 into 4 divided by 5 into 7. 17 into 4 is 68. 5 into 7 is 35. So it can be converted into a mixed fraction. We get 133 by 35. 68 divided by 35. 35. One time we get 35. So 68 divided by 35, we get the quotient as 1, remainder as 33. So we can write 133 by 35. Quotient is 1, remainder is 33 and the dividend is 35. So we have to write the answer this. Next problem is the word problem. Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So, Sally plants 4 saplings in a row. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. We have to find out the distance between first and the last sapling. So we have to find out the answer. Then write the solution. The number of sapling is 4. That is given in the question. Then distance between two adjacent sapling is 3 by 4 meter. Then we have to find out the distance between the first and the last sapling. So each distance S1, S2, S3 and S4. Look at the figure. S1, S2, S3, S4 and the distance is marked 3 by 4 each. So we have to find out 3 by 4 in 3 times we get 9 by 4, then which is equal to 2 1 by 4. Improper fraction converted into mixed fraction, we get 2 1 by 4. Okay. Next word problem. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. The first question, how much water did Vidya drink? Second question, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Here, first we have to find out how much water did Vidya drink. In a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. So, 2 by 5 of 5 is 2 by 5 into 5. So, the solution of first question, quantity of water drank by Vidya, 2 by 5 of 5 liters. 2 by 5 into 5 liter. Therefore, 2 into 5 divided by 5. Then we get 10 by 5. 10 by 5 is 2 liter. Then next one, quantity of water drank by Pratap. We have to find out total quantity of water did Pratap drink. So, 5 liter is the total quantity of water. Then Vidya drink 2 liters. So, 5 minus 2, 3 liters. 3 liters Pratap drink. So, the fraction is 3 by 5. 3 is the quantity of water drink by Pratap. 5 is the total quantity of water. So, the fraction is 3 by 5. Next question, a car runs 60 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol? So, the solution is, in 1 liter of petrol, the car covers 60 km. We have to find out distance covered by the car using 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol. So, in 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol, the car will cover 2 3 by 4 into 16 km. So, the distance is 2 3 by 4 into 16. 2 3 by 4 is converted into improper fraction. So, we get 11 by 4. 11 by 4 into 16, cancelled 16 and 4. We get 4 as the numerator. Then 11 into 4, we get 44. Hence, the required distance is 44 km. Then the next question. Libika reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Here, Libika read 1 3 by 4 hours every day. So, she reads the entire books in 6 days. 6 days, he complete her reading. In 1 day, Libika reads 1 3 by 4 hours. Then 6 days, Libika reads 6 into 1 3 by 4 hours. So, 6 into 1 3 by 4 is 7 by 4. Then 6 and 4 are cancelled. It is cancelled by 2. 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. Then we get 3 into 7 divided by 2. So 21 divided by 2 hours. It is converted into mixed fraction. So we get 10 1 by 2 hours. Hence the recorded hours is 10 1 by 2.